Adding water roux to your bread recipes helps to keep the bread from getting stale too fast. It also adds a little extra fluffiness and moistness. In a medium saucepan, stir together 1 cup water with 1/3 of a cup of bread flour and continue stirring until it's smooth. This entire process takes all of 3 minutes from beginning to end. I was going to post the whole 3 minutes, but I don't think anybody wants to see 3 minutes of me stirring, so I sped it up. When you get the swirly lines, you can take it off heat and let it cool. This recipe makes about 1 cup of water roux, and you only need about a 1/2 cup for a single loaf recipe of bread.